Yellow, 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 everybody, what's up? So that was John Carpenter, Halloween theme music. Hopefully you guys enjoy that movie and the whole series. I just want to make sure. Stimulus, what's up? A very good morning to you. Nice to see you. This is the first time we are actually able to get our timings match. It's amazing. Hello, couldn't sleep. You weren't on. Oh, thank you so much, man. Yeah, I've been because I remember I was mentioning that I'll be gone, right, for some personal stuff. So I'm just trying to get things ready for that, like packing, cleaning before going and stuff. So just I'm all over the place, honestly. But that's, I think, how things are sometimes. But how was your sleep? Like, why you're not able to sleep? Everything going good? Yeah, my default life taking this makes sense. But this will be fun. I think today, good part is today you will be able to catch up with things. Always had sleep problems, just worse since the work stuff. Yeah, it's hard. Your one is hard job. Like what you are doing is like a big service to I think everyone here, and then it's very how to say it we like as a how to say as a citizen, I'm like thankful to people like you, right? You guys are the reason why we are able to do things, and you guys are the reason why we are here. I guess you guys are a big part. So thank you, and I understand. Hope things get better for you. But yeah, with that, right, you can always reach out to me, right? You're always in my good books. I'm just drinking coffee because I have some work I have to get done before this, or after this, sorry. So I'll be doing that, drinking some coffee. The McDonald's coffee with no sugar. It's horrible, but it keeps me going. But yo, actually, quick question: have you ever set up like McD's better than Tim's ever since they changed years? Yeah, I heard the story that the original McDonald's coffee is actually the Tim Hortons coffee because when Tim Hortons was changing its supply, McDonald's just went in and grabbed them. It's crazy. Like that's some business, like how fast people are catching up with the business, like so fast. Interesting things, right? Yeah. But yo, are you ready for this one? This one is a good one. So today we were able to get have you used Metasploit before? Or have you ever set up like a Kali Linux, like a virtual box for the scene? If not, the day we do, I can go over this. Okay, you have done. Have you done this? No, that's yeah, it's from before. I see. But if you want, I can actually because tomorrow I won't be available. But from Monday, I can show you how to set up a virtual box because I will be doing that for myself. I will be getting a laptop to because I will be traveling, have to set things up. So I can do that and I can show you if you have not. But if you have, then we can just go into some hacking from Monday as well. Be nice. But yes, with that being said, let's get over our main bread and butter, right? And let me know anything in the Discord like you would like to learn or me to do. I would love to do that. But with that, let's get into the lookup machine, right? With the lookup one, things we got done last time. I want to show you the. So we got with the Hydra, we were able to see Jose and the username and password, right? We found this thing, no password in one place in the ElFinder. With Metasploit, we used attack. I think I can remove this. So we'll do that. We'll go back to this. I just want to get my IP here, IP of the machine. Okay, let's get going. I have to change this IP address in the etc file first. So sudo nano/etc/host. Okay. Okay, awesome. Cool. So now with this, we will be able to ping directly like our system. Oh, I can't see properly. You can hear me, right? I'm audible? Am I audible? Can anybody give me a thumbs up if I'm audible? You guys can hear me, see me, and stuff like that. Just want to make sure. Okay, all good here. Nice, thank you. Okay, so let's start with this, right? We had our lookup machine. If we go to lookup.thm, we got Jose and password 123, and we were able to find this area, right? And we saw in the machine here we have ElFinder with version 2.1.47, and then we went to Metasploit and we selected this one, right? Like when we say show ElFinder, show H. Let's go exit here. Okay, or can I just exit directly? Quit this guy. So I'll go over Metasploit. It's not in the quick use one. Interesting. Metasploit framework. So we'll use Metasploit, which is like one of the best hacking. It was so powerful. The creator of this, right, went to jail because that's how good it was, technically. So show, I think, ElFinder. Invalid show H. Show dash H. Show all exploits, ElFinder. What was the last time I did it? So with Metasploit exploits, all those exploits, unknown command exploits, help. Let's go with help. Access. Okay, ranges from the IP. MSF console is the primary interface, so MSF console, no. What are the options? So module commands is these. Show. So let's go with show. Show dash H. No, that's all. More show payloads, show experts, okay. Or search ElFinder. So we searched for ElFinder and we saw this fourth one, the exploit that is available. That was our main big one, which is useful in our case. So we'll go with use for. So we set that, and then we have left and all those right, what's this called? Host IP addresses we have to set up. So set our host, and I think I have to give the IP address. Do I have it saved? Yeah. So our host is set, and I can just say run, and this will run exploit. No, okay, I have to do our host 4444. Maybe I have to go files dot lookup.thm, maybe run. Yeah. So yeah, I had to give that. Now it will like do the whole exploit. I don't even have to run anything. It will do everything for me. Then it is running the exploit, the whole thing. Do I have it? No reply yet. Is my IP changed? I have to ls burp, okay, blah blah blah. So I have to change. What are the set things I have to set? Our host is this. Port is 80, that's fine. L host, do I have to set up the L host? No. If I run or exploit, running the payload, so it's running, let's see if it does anything. I need to start making like better notes. One day I just have to go and start making notes from every single thing I did. That might be helpful. Exploit completed, but no session was created. What? No, last time it worked. Okay. What happened last time we did? What did I do last time? I'm forgetting this time. Okay, let's quickly check from the video. Here I have it. Part 2 here. I forgot like what exactly I did. Might be missing some kind of go to video analytics, see comments. No. Do you remember what I did? Go to the video quickly. We did exploit here. MSS6. It's weird to look myself. The screen. Okay. We did search. ElFinder, right? Playback speed 2. This stuff is out of my reach. So, okay, don't worry. I will explain. Hey, here you are. But I will explain to you. I think I can, this will not take much time. So I will be able to explain you by drawing how things work. Will be easy because Metasploit, like logic wise, is very easy, and even like I will say like logic wise and like even use wise is kind of easy, and that's why it's like very used. Oh, I should have made like our host better, like remove myself. So our host exploit. So host I set up as IP address. My IP I also set. No session was created. Files.lookup.thm run triggering sending. Okay, so I think last time it was a. Don't worry, Stimulus. Though I will teach you, like I will show you exactly how this works. Logic wise, I'm very clear how Metasploit works, so that's helpful. set lhost. Lhost is my IP. Our host is the target one I'm trying to hack. Ten to 2129. Okay. Public selection. See, triggering, executing, sending. I think now it will work. So we are in the session. If you see Metasploit session 1, and I will change this to, I think it was F4. Yeah. Cool. So hopefully, like, you're not seeing me. Now it's just this. So if you see here, right, the session was there. No reply, removing upload file. ls. So I'm inside that file itself. If you see, the system itself, we see everything is ElFinder right now. And I think when I do cat cat slash etc/password, there are a couple of people I see. First thing I wanted to see actually was I have to get my privilege. Because right now I'm www data, right? How to see that? Who am I? Or instead of who am I, what was it? PWD, I think I'm in this folder directory. I have to get a root privilege. And sudo -l is one of those files. And how to check what all GTFObins, those are the ones. So there are certain, like, like softwares inside, like which are given some extra privilege by misconfiguration or by default, and through them I can become a higher privilege user. So Perplexity. Oh, I can go here. Oof. And those are called GTFObins. Get the F out of bins. That's the name, because that's what they do, right? How to find GTFObins. GTFObins website is the sudo restricted all breakout. GTFObins reveals methods. I want to see how to find which FObins are available in my machine. To find GTFObins available, right? GTFOfinder. There are better ways. I know I don't have to download. It's not necessary for me to download anything. Here, this is the one. Find run help command for more. Okay. I am in a CDF challenge and using gonna do the machine. Find the GTFObins, the system. It's funny, actually. Still, there's one thing I'll tell you. Yesterday, Bandit, right? He actually was he was like the exploit development lead at one point for Metasploit, he mentioned. So I asked him to join the Discord. He did join. So soon we might even have a chat with him. That'll be super cool. Sudo-l is not working. Unknown command. System commands shell, drop into a system command shell. Maybe I might use that. MV make directory, download a file or directory. Sure, so I'll go shell. Channel model created. Okay, awesome. So I'll try sudo -shell. Password either use -s option to read from standard output. Okay. And I might use, so now earlier I was using Metasploit, which is another type of interface or like edit gaining access. So right now I'm in a shell, a proper shell. So we have these files which have like 4,000 privilege. Mount, password, sudo, su. Now, so out of these, what I want to do is like go to GTFObins directory here, GTFObins, and see out of these which one I can use to get my self shell. I can close mount. Wait, there are more. PWM add sudo. There are so many, man. Holy. Okay. So snap core is not our favorite, so we'll go with Polkit, SSH region, PWM bin add. Add is one? Add, okay. It can be used to break out a restricted environment by spawning an interactive system shell. ID, echo command, add now. So let's see. You have permission to use add, okay. Unmount. See password. So I'm just trying to copy paste command because like I am not the best fit. So I just copy paste command for GTFObins. Something I would love to get some help in or like learn more about. But I think add is not the one maybe at a side. Yes. So get back to shell. So going back to the find one, f user mount. One thing I need to know, okay, which multiple GTFO pins are printed, which one should or can I use? Right, multiple of these are here. When multiple GTFO are found, the choice of which one to use depends on several factors, including binary functionality, this permission, SUID, and stuff. Can find manipulation. Here's how. Check binary permission. So if the binary has SUID bit, so basically sudo one, It can be used in privilege escalation. If it is listed -L, it can be executed with privilege escalation, such as using sudo -L. Okay, spawning a shell, reading files. Easy to exploit, so directly can execute commands as root. So I have su, at is not used, fuser mount. Maybe I can use, copy this. Out of these, which one is the best? Okay. I have to do this. Go here. Oh, so new group. New group. Wait, new group I've never used. New GRP? No. So if I go back to the shell, I've never seen new group. Have you guys seen new group? Ever? PK. And sudo is not going to be available. Okay. Password for WWF data, I think no password. Password 123, maybe. See incorrect attempts. Okay. The new group. CHSH. CHSH. Okay, no. What should I do? What will be the right one to go for? Any help by anyone? PK, execute PKX. Or I can do this way. PKEX. Okay, PK executable. Or PK. If I go like this. Okay. PKEXVC /bin/sh. Error creating the shell authentication error controller. Wait, what? Okay. This is not the one then. Mount. How mount can be used? Everything needs sudo. Why everything needs sudo? Password. How to use GTFObin /bin escalate escalate To use password binary for GTFO privilege, you need to exploit the ability to modify ATC password. This method works if the password binary is either SUID or run with OK, ls-l, backup, craft a new password entry, create a new entry for a root user with the known password hash, use OpenSSL generated password hash. Okay. So we can maybe modify the password directory. User bin So SUID set. Okay. Before changing, may backup this. Okay. I don't want to create a new password policy. So I know the output for this is this. Okay. Append a new root user entry to password, for example, this. Okay. Exploit password. Or using password. So password or using sudo. So I think I will just use this password -f temporary password. So nano So how to append? Echo new user this with the T. Okay. Okay, so I just need to copy this part with this. So I'll just paste it here for now. If I do few thing, I have to check this. Okay. Echo this thing T-A/password. Okay. This is the first time I'm trying something like this format. Now I can show you exactly what I was saying. Hey, I can't use sudo, so can I just do T copy? So I'm just going, append means like basically adding at the end of the file. So people who don't know. Permission denied. Okay, permission denied, but I have access to PSSWT. Copy a modified file to a temporary location. Edit this, append a new root. So for example, this. If you have USID, use it to override password with the modified version. So CP HTMP. Okay, cat /tmp/psSWT. It has the root 2 at the end. Okay. Password invalid option -s. What are the available ones? Hold up. Keep tokens inactive. Getting -f is not on. Or I used to change the user password or manage password policies, but it does not support an option directly override the pin. Here you need to proceed. Correct way to use password for privilege escalation. Cannot rely on password -f, instead do the following. Edit, but I'm not able to edit. Users and password. Okay. So /user/bin password root. You may not view or modify information. /user/bin think /user/bin/ okay. Okay. User/bin/password root. Again, test. I think that's good enough. Password for www data. So probably this might not be the one that I need, or will get. What do I do with that? Let's see. Let's go to perplexity. For the I am in a CDF challenge and got the shell. Would need to do privilege and broke these wins with SUID. Like said, which one can I use to get it? So it's going to look into this. Anybody else know here, like what will be what will be a good one to go for? Damn, it's looking at looking at the rest FU. Oh, wait, what? So what if I this? Oh, it's looking at every single one of them. Crazy. It's like showing every single thing. This is the first time I'm looking at like this everything going like this. Okay. To escape, we were using SUID binaries in the GTFObins. The most viable option from provide list is p executable due to CV2021 vulnerability and sudo if misconfigured. Here's a breakdown. wget this gcc pwk binary is vulnerable to privilege escalation flaw if unpatched. This exploit allows executing arbitrary commands as root by manipulating the environment variable. Okay, let's look into this then. Okay. For example, wget this. Well, why example.com? Example.com, gcc this. The last one. I can probably get from here. So self-contained exploit should work out of the box for enable distributor Debian. Okay. ID sh this ID this. What's going on? Is anything even happening? I'll be back and forth while girlfriend and baby get ready to leave in an hour. Oh, sure. Sounds good, boss. Caching, com, exit. Let's see if it connects here. Anybody else has any good idea like what I can do like with all these lists? What would be a good one? And if the other way was with sudo -l, if sudo is misconfigured allowing execution, allows and restrict that mount. Okay, I'll try this as well. Only root can use options. Okay. Password root if permitted. Abuse feature if they allow modifying this directly. Password root is not. What can I can do with the file one root.txt root.text. What do you think like I can do? Places hash what places does nothing. Nothing here. Inside nothing. You try to download PAVK on a target mercy. I think this command will be blocked. You should download it from Kali and copy per HTTP server to the target server via bash or Python script. Like, oh, hey, hello. Thank you so much. I think that might work. Yes, thank you. Sure, let's do that. I think that's perfect. Thanks, boss. So I can just copy here too, right? So I wanted to get this file. Copy. First, I'll just open a different terminal. Okay, great. Hold up. So it should work out of the box on variable, but what I'm getting -O. Let's just go quickly from this. How does this look? Come on. Show me. So you want me to Python script like what? Copy phone kit per HTTP server to the target server via bash or Python script. Yeah. I'm just thinking, so I can download using Metasploit too, right? It used Metasploit to upload a file to target machine. Maybe chat. I am in a CTF challenge. Prerequisite working meta process, step-by-step guide. Ooh, I like they have put icons. I like that. So I did that. Metapreter upload this file to here. Okay. So just have to end verify download. Okay, cool. So exit from here. There is right help. So in the help, I think I saw to download a file. Is upload part of it? Copy source to destination. And what it said, upload. Upload Kali. Okay, home Kali desktop PWN kit, and I think I will just go here to where was I in this session? I think I can go to oh, I did put it out. 1 sec. I did put it out. I just have to see. I want to go make my life a bit easier. But thank you so much, boss. That was super helpful. So where is it? I did PWD. No. Okay, I guess you have a connection via Metasploit to the target server. Then go to the ./ssh and you can copy your SSH key to the authorized key. But you should create a SSH keychain on your Kali. I understand. I don't know how to do it. I understand what you mean. So basically, create a SSH keychain and try to SSH into it. It's a better reversal. Okay. Can you provide a link if possible, like to help me, like how to set that up? Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how to do it. I haven't done it actually ever. But I know like basically create the SSH key that will help me like connect. Yeah, that will help with the authorization and like connect directly with the system. Can't I? Operation failed. Wait, can't I just upload a file here? Mount volume, save, upload a file. Drag and drop, select files. Desktop. Phone kit. Application. Oh. So okay, smooth this. Good. I came in the right time. Okay, so let's see. Okay, run SSH key to generate a new RSA key pair. Try to upload some files. It was just a few advices that it can maybe helpful for you. Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. No, that is very helpful. Thank you so much, though. Like, it means a lot. If you're helping me, that's really, really big. Thank you so much. And we are going to figure it out. Enter the file to which you want to save the key. I guess lookup. Interface. Lookup. From here in Twitch. Oh. You are the best pen tester? Wait, hold up. Are you telling me I'm the good pen tester? Thank you so much. Oh yeah, that's true. Empty or no password is needed. That's true, I forgot. It's 1, 2 a.m. for me. I can't. No, I don't want to say it. Lol. What I was doing. So I did that. I'm sorry if I like lose my words. I'm just like 2 a.m. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm trying to get better. I'm like 3 months in, I've been like trying to do everything every day, like trying to doing every Monday to Friday, trying to learn something, do something. So thank you. And you guys showing up, like helping me, that means a lot. I usually show my face, but because I can't in this case, because it's too many lines and my face might block it. Navigate here. Copy the key. Okay. Colors. And find the verify ID private key. Yeah. Known host dot old. What? Damn, I didn't realize there are so many I tried to connect to. But thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. So I think this is what the you were saying, right? So SSA ID RSA is not there. Run SSH key gen to create a new RSA key pair. Default location is this. Okay, so I just quickly go here. Enter the file in which you want to save the key. Maybe this. Okay. Keygen created lookup.pub. Okay. So lookup and lookup.pub is here. IDRSA is this here. Copy public key to authorize keys. Cat pub. Okay. Yes, you just copy the public key and copy it to the tag machine, I think. Yeah. Okay. So cat lookup.pub. So just copy this thing. Copy selection. And I think just go to the shell nano. Wait, do I have to give it here or mkdir in this cat this? Okay. Just copy it on the target machine, or should there be a specific place, right? It should be in the SSH, right? That's what I thought. Can't CD to this. Okay, dir. It doesn't even exist. Wait. Is there an ad going on? Did it ad started? Can I snooze it? Oh, pausing. Pausing for the ad. I'm just thinking though on the side. Oh, Okay, we're back. Sounds pretty good. So, sorry, I was just waiting for the ad break to go. Because I don't want anybody to miss any action. So my whoami is www data. So this is my default one. I think the Apache's default one. There are two users, think and root. So think, I will tell you something actually. Not here actually. Think I saw there's the root.txt which is not, doesn't do the job test. User.txt. No. There was one place where it had this login is Jose. I understand this one. One had like think, which had it's as no password. Puppet, no. Pie, no. Nope, no. I saw all credentials maybe. Yeah, so think no password. That's one thing I saw. That was one of the things I found. Others were all like gibberish. So that's what I thought. I will be able to like change because I found something with reconnaissance, but I guess not. So we were basically at the key gen, right? So the thing is, I can't go into the .ssh folder. What should I do then? Like, if I'm not able to access the .ssh folder, where should I put it? I'm just thinking my for some reason my brain is saying like this GTFObins is might be the way. Maybe because I learned it recently and the previous one also was GTFObins, or I'm just completely wrong. But can't CD into it. Maybe I can. Can I touch? How did it required? Just copy it, right? No such file or directory. KDIR. Let's see. Where am I? PD/home/think. H. So CD. Oh, mkdir. Cannot create. File exists. Okay. SSH exists. Okay, that's good. So if we go, we can't SSH. Can we ls? Cannot open directory. Permission denied. Operation failed, of course. CD. Wait, I did that. Like, what are you saying? CD dot slash SSH? You get it. Like, with the GTFObins, right? There are so many GTFObins we found. ls-al. Oh, passwords. Permission there. Password. Okay, we have bash.rc. Maybe I can find something here. Bash history. I'll do history. Not found. Cat. Oh, that might be null. I just think cat vim info profile. Maybe dot profile. Okay, what we got here? Oh, that will be just a bash profile. So passwords, root and thing. Root thing. Cache. What can be one of the other ways? Should I? Okay, maybe I'll get some hint. Let's see one thing. Maybe let's get some hint if we are like that stuck. I'll try to give it another go. Inspect login responses in burp. So I got a shell into the lookup THM machine per kind of struct at the privileges relation. I have a hint, I think. I have a feeling that GTFObins is the way. Any hint if I am right or wrong. Also, how to select which GTFObin can help me. Okay, till that, it can take any amount of time, so we'll go back to this. Now, let's go to this information. we have these GTFObins, right? New group, mount password, sh. I'm out for a short time due to a meeting. I will be right back. I saw bash history. Yeah. So if we see bash history, so you see bash history, but everything is null, going to null, right? Dev null. Oh. What can I do? Or you can cat the history to find maybe some clues. I did. History is not found. I thought like I might be able to find something too. That was my really. I'm so close to giving it up on this one. Yeah, it's going to null. Same with Vim info. I don't like here. Password is such a crazy one. Nah. Like they're still learning. Like we are trying. They're still learning. So, but I'm just thinking, like, if let's say you have to select, right, a GTFO bin out of these, which one would be a good one? Lookup.thn. Sorry, lookup. Basically, the name is lookup. I'm at. I can give me one sec. I'll just give you this. There you go, boss. I'll pin it. I'm just thinking, like, what would be a right way to do it? So if I have this, if I'm able to get, let's, excuse me, what is this guy doing? If I get like with the manual build, right? I need the C file. Okay, on get C file. And I can just build it, right? That's one thing I can probably do. Oh, the session got closed. Reason died. Oh no. Oh no. Time expired or what? The machine died. It's I think 2 hour mark almost for it, yeah. Mm. So we have application vulnerability, command injection. There's a walkthrough link if you wanted that assistant. Yeah, Sailor, I would love to go through a walkthrough. I'm just thinking, I'm just trying really hard, like, not to go through it. Because if you actually go, there are so many walkthroughs. But I'm really, like, trying hard, like, not to go over it. Because I really want to hit it. But yeah, let's just do the GTFObins against C. But, yeah. I think we might like let's put a 15-20 minutes. If not, then we'll try. But Inosomnia, I think that's sorry, insomnia. Sorry, that's the name. Yes. So that those are like so with the 4,000 bit, right? We are checking. This is the one like I got list. This was the list I got from at till f user amount g password. password, sudo, these ones. That was the list I got. I can just quickly send it here. These are all the... Oh, it removes all the spaces and I removed this one. Looks wrong. So I'm just thinking, what would be a right way in this? Well, one thing I want to try though, once this is up, is the machine. IP is here. One thing we can try, I really think would work. I didn't have it from the writer. Oh yeah, no, 100%. Like this one also, like GTFObins is like one of my go-tos. I learned recently about it, so I was like, oh yeah, I love that. So set our host look. Oh, it will be same. I just have to go to etc. Nano slash etc slash host. Oh, sudo. So you can try GTFObins site. Yeah, they are. Yeah, I did try it. I like. Here's a quick question: how you would select what is the right GTFObin to go for? If there are like 20 of those or 10 of those given, is hidden trial the only way, or you think there's a better way? I just don't know about it. So run. Let's start our stuff. One thing I'm trying to do is like get that C file I copied, put that into this, compile it, and then see if that might work. So just copy this and build it, right? Copy it, build it, right? And just start. Target is not vulnerable. No, it is vulnerable as hell. What are you talking about, kiddo? What? Okay, one thing I'll do is here I'll go to the science vulnerable. What did I do wrong? Exploit. What's going on? Why is not working this time? There's run exploit. Run. R host. L host. Exploit. Target is vulnerable now. Why this is happening? AL restart. Quit this. Restart. search ElFinder use 4 set our host L host. What is the L host query? ifconfig 10 to 2149. 10 dot 2 dot 20 149. Okay, now it will work. So let's quickly build that file. Shell. Okay, so nano git dot c exit. Okay, I have to look like, okay, my brain is not even working. So one thing I will do, Insomnia, I will run your command for sure before looking at. So we are on the right part with GTFObins. That's a good thing to know. And here is the file you want me. Where is it? The find one, right? Yeah. GTFObins. Here, if we run, a bunch of snap ones are there, which I don't know if are useful or not. I hardly see the snap ones, but then if you see the user ones are coming. Do you, if snap ones are important, or like, can we use them? What is the CHFN and CHSH? So if I open here GTFObins, let's look at this now. So I start this and then this guy. So if we start from this, was not, we were not able to use it. I want to see CHFN, no. SH, no. PKEICC. We tried this one. Sudo we can't use. PASSWT or GPA, no. Fuser, no. SU we can't even use, I don't think so. Sudo SU, yeah. Then there is unmount. What about the other ones? No, not DA, DM. Script is not one. Bro, I'm so dead brain. Like, I don't understand what to do right now. PWN. PWN. Okay, no. Because same here are also the same ones. I don't know what to do at this point. Should I wait for one more day? Should we give it a one more try, or should we just look at this? SWPWM, SWPWM seems suspicious. SBin PWM. So SBin PWM. Okay, let's look at that. What is this? Okay, 1 second. SBin PWM, right? So what is this used for? What is S? Can you make ls dash? Okay, 1 sec. I'll do that. Let's do that, boss. Okay. ls dash al slash user slash sbin slash. That's actually true. It does look suspicious now I think about it. Setup okay. We can execute stuff. Okay, SME binary PWS USOPM are typically used for managing pulse width modulation devices in Linux machines. Control hardware components, fan LEDs. So it would be potentially be exploitable. So this is the one we have. If it runs elevated privileges, you can escalate. Okay, this is good. This is good. Misconfigured sys reference. Exposure sys interface at this. If permission on these files are misconfigured, writable with allow. Okay. Unlike binaries explicitly listed in GTFObins, it is not commonly associated with privilege escalation. Experts, however, suspect if it can be abused, analyze its behavior. Allows arbitrary reads and writes. Okay. Launcher system calls. Root file. Oh. Wait. ID. Wait, I can change the ID command. If it is running the ID command, can't I change the ID command, create it as a alias, and then make it? I think I've seen that happening. Freaking GTFObins. This term CTL. So here, right? It created ID. I remember something with ID. Something happened here somewhere. ID temporary output, right? Wait, okay, so remember echo one shot bin dash C execute start install multi-user agents. So how do I create a look? By here running ID command, you want to replace manipulate ID command. Here you can attempt. Okay. Look at an entry like this. It uses a malicious ID, it spawns the shell in the privilege. Okay. So basically, first we have to do is use strace to trace the system call made by this. Okay. So it uses this. Look at an entry like, I think you should now add path variable for user. Path variable? Why? I'm actually confused. Why the path variable was? Like this? So what should I do here? Like, make it executable. I think, can you explain like what will happen if I change the path variable? Oh, now here, like the path like this. Oh, export path equals / temporary ID. Okay. Now is then. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. I think it's already gone. Whoami is broken. Okay. I think I am lost. Echo path. Echo command could not be found. I think because I did this one, right? Yeah, because I just clean bold the whole thing. No. Maybe I have to do this. Oh, nothing is working, bro. Everything is gone. Okay, I think I'll surrender this one. Yeah. Yeah, I tried so many things. I think I really need to like work on my privilege escalation skills. Let's look at like one of the good write-ups and see. Okay, Jose always writes a good one, so I'll just look at his one. Lookup was blah, blah, blah. Let's begin with our Nmap scan, right? We got our 80. So we added the IP, wrong password, please try again. He did fuff, right, with the user request login.txt names, right, and got Jose and admin, which we did. With password, he got password 123, unknown host file, web version, so search exploit he did, we did this, so we did good. Looking for SUIDs, so now we saw, oh yo, you were right. Sbin, it seems that it's running ID command and somehow extracting the username from the output of the command. So we looked, let's see if the program is using absolute power related part. If we have to change the path variable, start looking at temporary and then create a fake ID binary. So we were on the right path. Export path temporary. So we did that, export this. And then echo UID this group 33 to ID, cat ID. So thing and goes to here. So let's copy this. So we were on the right path. We just had to get the right stuff, I guess. And I have to restart the machine because it won't work anyways. I deleted everything accidentally. And it was like good, like we were on the right path, right, Insomnia? So I'm pretty happy about that. So there was like still learning. I had to just restart this machine. We were on the right path. We got things right done. We just, actually, I got excited and did wrong. So export this path. We got this echo UID, UID this, GUID this, and groups this. Cat the ID. So when we do the catting, it goes like this. If we did that because of the AI, everything so PWM runs the ID command and gets the whole, gives a list of passwords. It would make too long to test all the password manually, so I use SU4. Got it. Yeah, so this is the one you were saying, right? So export this and then echo. This was the main big one too. And then once we have this SU4, okay, I want to see this. Obtains a user system password. This tool uses SU binary to perform brute force attack while a successful collision occurs. Oh, this is something I would have taken time to understand. Brute forcing thing. So they were doing wordless exhausted. SU thing, password, something like this, is this. Jose Mario dot this secure path lookup blah blah blah. So they did, and then with GTFObins look sudo. With sudo they were able to get whatever they want. Oh, this is you were saying, right? This is also, yeah. What I will do next week, I will try it again with this ideology. I had to like write notes, everything. So this is what also thing you were saying, right? But like we needed the sudo privileges. Once we have this, you can just log in, open SSH key. You must use just K. What does L file mean? What's that variable means? Okay, great. I see. One thing I want to do though, even as think like at least I can quickly. I'll do this. Let's just do it on Monday. I'm too tired. It's like 2:30 a.m. in the morning for me. Oh, but yeah, there's 2:30 a.m. in the morning. My brain is cooked. I don't know what time is it for you guys. Like, I know stimulus is like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. maybe 7 a.m. Yeah. For me, I'm just cooked. I'm so dead. But hopefully, we learned something today. We did some stuff. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I will come online or not because I have to do some packing. I'm helping some friend with some hospital related stuff. So, not sure what's going on there. Holy. Have a good night, bro. Chat later. And yeah, thank you, though. 100% will chat later, boss. Thank you so much for joining. And this is actually like a very high level. I don't know why this was put in easy. It is actually a good machine. I will not be testing machine. I need to learn certain things before testing more machines and doing some more challenges. But yeah, it's great. They're saying medium, do medium. No, hell no. But yeah, thank you so much everyone for joining. Thank you, Stimulus. Thank you, Insomnia. Thank you, everyone. It is pleasure. Like it's just amazing for everyone who joins. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Have a great night, right? And yeah, chill it out. Have a great, relaxing weekend ahead. If I don't see you tomorrow, but on Monday for sure. Next week, my friend who created a beautiful thing called Malevolent Linux for malware analysis. I will be having a chat with him. So stay tuned. And then with Stimulus, I'll be doing a hold on 28th, I believe. 27th. On 27th, we'll be doing amazing, long, very long stream, completing Over the Wire Bandit. So that'll be fun. So thank you so much. And before I go, actually, I want to show you something. I want to just say thank you and welcome to Insomnia for joining. Oh, he has Cyber Training Gamified. Nice. Hack the boss. Nice. That's good. So thank you so much, Insomnia, for joining. And also Junior OX over 1 for joining us. Thank you so much for joining the family. With that being said, have a great night. I will see you guys tomorrow. And if you guys are just grab a coffee, I will just run a quick ad, grab a cup of coffee, and then when you come back, you can throw. But thank you so much. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, everyone. Have a good one.